So we're back here today in our 74 Nova, and we are taking out the headliner. See if we can get up in here. Should have vacuumed all the mouse poop out of here first. This car has been sitting for quite a number of years, so pretty much every panel that we pull down has quite a bit of mouse droppings and all kinds of other wonderfulness, as you can kind of see. Yeah, it's pretty strong in here, but we are gonna keep going. So basically what we're doing is taking out all of the little trim screws that look, oh my goodness. All of the trim screws that are about that big, little Phillips head screws, that we are trying to take our visors down and just about everything up here, more or less. So bear with me. That's just ripping right away. All right. Every single trim piece has poop in it. Last thing left before this just practically falls on my head is, I think, going to be this dome light. Come on. There you go. Oh! Had some friends in there. Look at those. Phew. And this dome light does work. We just uh-oh. Here it comes. Alright. We're going to slide the bulb out. Put that in there. And I have found the easiest way to do these is to pop the whole entire case off rather than trying to fill it through that little hole. Now, that is the original color. We can't find that color anywhere. I've tried. So, we're not going to worry about it being original because we just want it to be cool, or whatever word you want to use. Cool, nice, whatever. So, we are going to slide it up over the clips because the edges, which I'll show you after, have little pieces in. I don't really want, oh gosh, all that mouse poop. Ah. Okay. Oh. We found the mice house. The mouse house. All right. Clearly, maybe we should have taken down the other side first. All right. This is a job when you have the windshield out. That is awful. All right. All right, sorry about that. Had to get the headliner laid out there, but all right, let's flip the camera. These are the little tabs, which that one was already bent, but that's actually how these look. And there's 6 of them, 3 on each side, and each one of those will tear that cardboard piece to no end. And it looks like we've had some slight roof damage that doesn't seem to be very evident on top of the car. Doesn't really I guess it does. It does have a little bit of a dent, huh? Boop, boop. All right. So, again, we'll try to fix that up a little bit. Probably, I don't know. Clearly, we're going to blow this place out here first. So, we will be back in a few minutes. And basically where we're at now is I take the backing of the headliner and we lay it out flat on something that is flat. So what could be more flat than 2 pieces of plywood? And we'll lay it out like this. And then now we're going to cut a piece of plywood to set in the center so that we could flatten this down and hide this, because it looks rough. Not sure what the previous guy that owned it was doing, but go ahead and throw down in some comments if you know any of these people, and maybe they could give us a little history on the car. But we are going to be recovering that autograph mess with some nice black vinyl that we're trying to get, or was trying to get the creases out of, so we were laying it out here. So we will be back in a little bit.